Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and discuss what's happening here, right? Before we get into the inverse head and shoulders and what's happening as a larger pattern, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe and hit this bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates that we post, right? So you can also give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with the 0 at the end. Here's a link to my YouTube channel if you want to stay updated on the trades that I discuss here, right? So let's get into XRP. I posted this setup here, the inverse head and shoulders pattern that you see here. I posted this setup on, I think I did it on Twitter as well, but I definitely did post it on my Telegram and my Discord channel, where I kind of I opened a long position around here. I waited for the price to go up, and then I saw this nasty rising wedge, which kind of made me close my position somewhere around here. Well, this was a pretty good trade. This is a 5% upswing, and then I was trading with 75x leverage or 74x leverage. I don't remember. It was a pretty good trade. I made quite a bit of money, but then the price dropped, which made me happy that I was right. And then the next day, I see that the price had already reached my target, which of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which was 0.544. And you can see even on the 1 hour time frame, the price sweeps that particular level and then closes below that, and the next candle is right on top of that, right? So yeah, either way, what's happened is that the price XRP has retested that and is now on a downswing, right? So now, although this might seem like there's no trades happening right now, I think if we just take a look at this particular structure as a whole, right, it looks like we're in a, hold up just a sec, let me just make sure. Almost. Yep. There you go. We're inside an ascending triangle, which is an extremely bullish pattern. Right now, I'm not saying you should expect XRP price to drop more and retest this particular ascending trend line, but there is a pretty good chance that it does that, right? And even if the price does go below this, right, we can expect the price to stay around 0.44 and not go lower than that, right? Either way, I think XRP price has been showing quite a bit of strength over the last couple of weeks, and is a coin that you should be paying close attention to, right? And the reason why I feel like we still have a lot more bullish momentum left for XRP is because if you take a look at XRP on a 1-day time frame, right, this particular crash here, we're not even close to the midpoint, right? So if this is a mean reversion play, then you can pretty much expect XRP price to continue going up until it retests 0.60. So from the current position, you're still looking at a 22% upswing. So the only kind of conflict of interest right now is that I'm expecting Bitcoin price to drop down to potentially 16K, 15.8K. With that in mind, right, we should play it a little carefully, right? Although that's I'm expecting a drop to 15.8K, it's not going to happen right away. I feel like there's going to be a little bit of recovery rally where the price retests the bear flags breakout point, and then it starts to drop again. So the small window that we have where the price Bitcoin price recovers, like that's where you can expect XRP price to go up, in which case you can just take a look at this particular, just a sec. Right, with that in mind, you can see we can expect it to go all the way up to the midpoint, right? But it could like go up to 0.511, right? And you can see it's already showing a lot of strength on a 15-minute time frame. We almost, we kind of did produce a market structure shift, which was a bullish market structure shift. And if you look here, we have an FEG, and the price is already tagged into this FEG and is going higher. So technically, if I did spot this trade a little earlier, this would have been my trade. This would be the midpoint would be the first take profit level, and then if I look at it, the selling climax actually took place here. So 0.51 is the level that I'm looking at, and just to confirm to see what level that is. Yep, it's a 62. So yeah, 0.5089, 0.51 seems like a pretty good place to book profits here for XRP. And I'm going to be taking the scalp right now. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting, guys, for XRP. For now, we can expect like a small rally to perhaps even 0.513, but I don't see it going well beyond that. Even if it does, like I think the upside is capped at 0.538, right? The larger picture basically is expect XRP price to drop down to 0.479, which is a great support structure. We've already retested that, right? But if Bitcoin price does go down to 16K, 15.8K, you can still expect it to stay above this level here, which is 0.44, which would be a good place to accumulate XRP, considering that it's been showing strength for the past week, for quite a couple of weeks. So yeah, that is basically my game plan for XRP. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated on how these trades are going, make sure to go ahead and give me a follow on Twitter, join my Telegram group, subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Discord group, right? So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.